Okay, with Teddy gents. Almost
Ja,
at
Oma.
What am I say? Blik dit die can you hear?
Where's the poles? Do you know where's the poles?
I don't know, I'm picking up Teddy's because it asked me to pick up Teddy's on the ground. So I'm picking up Teddy's. I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm not really comfortable going upstairs, but we're gonna try. Oh, you upstairs? Can't put up the lights. Keep out. Okay, this is our room. Okay, away. Toy box.
We must... How do I open?
Ek zie.
Nee, I see.
Oh, okay, I see. Away. Oh, we put out all the toys. Alright. Means we can pick up that key. At Grandma. Grandma, give me the key, Grandma. I don't really care about you. I'm being honest now, I'm sorry. But, hello, pick up the key. Pick up the key. Grandma, you promised me now. You said pick up your toys, I can pick up the key. Sounds like she's constipated or something. Did you find the stuff? Fucking scary.
Now the Oma is gone.
Oh shit, where's Oma, bruh? No, run with me, please, walk with me. Don't go basement. Fuck basement, bruh. That's danger zones.
Oma's upstairs.
So we can hide in cupboards and stuff. Let's find cupboards. Oma's in the bed. Oma's sleeping.
Oma's sleeping. Oma! Mensen die huis.
Oma, ons bedkak! Oma! Just prepare yourself to run to the mother's room and hide in that cupboard. I'm telling you today. Oma's gone. Fuck Oma, bro. Oma's dead. Oma's dead. Oma?
Allah.
Oh shit, gents, I'm running. Run to your mother's room and get in the cupboard. Oma! No, bro, I don't want to.
Allah. Mannetje met een fucking stengsel, vriend. Oh,
fuck, where am I, bro? This is not good. Kan! Wie de fuck is die, yo? It's a screwdriver, bro. It's a screwdriver. Give me the fucking screwdriver. Open here, bro. Oh shit, this is not good. This is not good, bro. Come on, hurry up. I wanna get out of here.
trying.
How do you crouch?
Here. Well, mine is here.
Oh, well, I got it.
Draw die screw fight, please.
You need to get out of there very quickly. Take the board away. Oh, I'm gone. Okay, here's a lot of shit. What is this? Batteries. Okay, we got a lot of batteries. We just need a flashlight. Okay, we got a flashlight. It's fine.
Weak batteries.
Okay, we come back for batteries. Is there no gun? Yes, scissors.
Scissors. What is it?
Okay, I got scissors. In my fucking hand, bro. I'm really
God.
poor thing now.
Kijk of je kan snipen.
No, remember, it's fucking time scarce scissors. The stuff are useless. Where are we now? It's disgusting, bro.
Kom, buddy.
I'm coming. I'm right behind you, bro. Okay, I'm cutting him, cutting something. Come on, fuck, this guy's creepy.
Kan nie wel kry wat die fucking fannies staan in die kant.
Why do you wanna hide? I'm hiding, bro. You gonna run. I take him. Please hide. I hear something.
Gehoor.
I heard something. I'm hiding, bro. I'm hiding. There's no way I'm standing outside. I heard it, bro. Someone crying.
Passie.
Oh my fuck, what's this? Dolls collection.
Kijk, stop. Just Wally. Lekker blij, joh.
Where you? Where you?
That's IDP choice,
Yeah, but where, Balas? Oh.
ja, je moet er niet op de kast staan. Kom. Oh. Is dead body,
Oh,
bro.
fuck. Oh shit, this is not good, James. Okay, here's another hiding space, bro. And then on top. Okay.
Oh, nou cocky flashlight. Oh nee.
Shit, now we're down here. There's two places to hide here, bro. Kiana, I don't like this, Kiana. I hear something, I swear I heard something. Is it you hiding? Okay, you hiding. Can you hide in the same cupboard as me? Kian, what happened to the lights, bruh? Don't fuck around with the lights. Ons poes hardloop. Please run, kom fucking run, James. I'm stressing. Please, oi.
Jakku, ek het alles gedrop, bou. Skrik ek my poes af.
What was it? I couldn't, James. I'm sorry. Where is it?
Kom, volg my. Kom.
What was it?
Wat fucking die ou met die chainsaw, bro. My bro, kom my by hierdie deur uit gaan.
Wat sê jy? Waar is jy?
Ja, hoe was jy?
Goed af.
Oh, weg.
Agter. Ek doen nie. Ek gaan kom in jou mond. Fuck that guy. Who's crying? Kies ons uit. Hy het afgegaan.
Ek weet, ek het op gesien. Ek het gesien wat het gebeur. Sien, bro.
I'm here. Wanna jump down? But I would just run. No, I can run like a motherfucker, bro. Okay, here's a place to go. can't. We must shut it. We must shut it down, that thing, bruh. Say no gun in the area, bro. You can't go down there, bro.
I've sprayed, but I can't spray.
I didn't open the door, no. Expected. Okay, we're gonna go. Oh, wait, it's fine. Don't open that door yet. Let's just check what is. Matches. Okay. Oh my fuck. Dent. This is not fun.
Nou, Koep, waar is jy nou alweer?
Ek is in die basement. Dent. I don't know if I'm safe.
Ja,
Wat is
waar is
jy?
jy?
In die basement, puta. Oh fuck, who's that?
Oeh, kijk, daar komt er iets aan de wacht van Fanny. Kom, precies.
I'm trying, bro. What the fuck did you do now? Where are you going? What the fuck? Do you hear that?
Kan ik wat die fucking Fanny staan in die kant.
Why do you wanna hide? I'm hiding, bro. You gotta run. Daai deur daar voor.
Ja.
Okay, you're not walking.
Hier, kom maar. Wel,
Okay, he's not gonna come.
Koos kan nie in. Waar? Nou waar?
What do you see? Batteries. I need batteries, bro. Don't have batteries. There's something in the cupboard. What is it? Batteries. You opening doors? Nope. He's downstairs. I don't know where he is, bro. He's right in front of us. Do you see him? You fucker. Bitch ass. I knew you were gonna do it. I knew it. Fucker. You're such a bitch. I knew it. Fucking know you already. Please leave me alone. Fucker. Run away from the canal, James. I'm not part of this shit. My fucking leg. And on my leg. Ow. My leg, James. Wait, I can't do this. Where you dead?
Waar is onder?
Fuck this guy. Bitch ass.
Waar is jy?
Waar is jy, Boeta?
Ek is weer in die basement.
Ek kan jou hoor, ek is daar in die fucking washing room deel, op die hulpunt van die ander kant. James, this is not good. Ek het matches, Boeta, ek het matches, hoor. Boeta, waar is jy?
Ek weet nie, ek het nou net fucking sprat van daar.
Ek ook. Hy was agter my ook. But I don't know, I'm in the basement, I don't know where you are. I saw something about matches.
Ek staan voor jou, John.
Oh
Hoor
shit.
neer is 'n spieël.
Kom ook die kaart.
Ja, John, maar ek weet nie waar jy is nie.
Ek is in die basement, Boeta. En hy is hier op die eerste vloer.
Ja, het is bo. Ja. Dat kan een boeg. Dat is de liefde.
Laai die 4.
Ja, het is vir my.
Hy's op my ass, hy's op my ass.
Hey, bitch.
What the fuck screaming? Where you, Kian?
Upstage, baby.
What did they say about matches in your area? Please fucking hide! Please, I can't do this.
Ek sê maar ek vind nie my pad onder toe nie.
No way, ek sit sy bad, ek sit in sy kamer.
Ja, ja.
I'm out of this bitch. What the fuck was that? What you need to do is get the fuck out of here, bro. That's not what you need batteries. Kian, I don't understand where you are, boot.
Hoor jy wil.
I went on top, but I
Ja,
couldn't
kom
check.
af, kom af,
Okay.
kom af. Wacht, kyk af.
Ek sien hierdie kas. Ek sien hierdie fucking kas. Hierso in die kas, hier. Oh wait. Dis net hier. Dis buite. Skuif het, ek gaan nie hoor. You fucking stupid cunt. Wat het ek